Not every prison looks like prison. Some prisons pay well, some prisons look comfortable, and that's exactly why people never leave. The golden handcuffs are the things that makes you comfortable while secretly making you unhappy. A job you hate but the salary feels safe. A life you don't enjoy but everyone says you are doing well. So you stay there. At first, you will tell yourself just a little longer. I'll leave one day. I'll change it later. But slowly, you get used to it. The routine, the comfort, the predictability, and suddenly your cage starts feeling like home. The scary part is most people know they are unhappy, but they stay because uncertainty feels more terrifying than misery. So they choose predictable sadness every single day. We think we are earning comfort, but sometimes we are trading our freedom, our creativity, our energy, our real self. And the worst part, from the outside, everything looks perfect. Not everyone who looks successful feels alive. Some people are just surviving beautifully, and maybe that's the saddest trap of all. So ask yourself, are you truly happy or just comfortable? Because golden handcuffs still handcuffs. If this felt relatable, you are not alone. And thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that I'll get new topics to you.